I was just sent this travel pack. Now this is a 21-piece set. That is so much, and I love it. I mean, you've got literally everything that you will need whenever you are traveling, all in this one little case. So I'm going to show you all of the goodies in here. Let's get all of it out here. So first of all, you get a nice clear case to be able to hold it all in. So that's really nice. You actually get little pump bottles. So if you want to bring hand sanitizer or your own bottled soap, you've got a couple of those. You've got spray mist bottles. So put your own perfume, spray. I mean, that is nice that they give you all of that. These are really cool. These actually are toothbrush holders. So you can actually put your toothbrush in there and keep that from dirt, dust, and with the way that it moves around, to hold a variety of different sizes. And you get 4 of them. So, you know, you got your family, you've got 4 people, you can easily use all of that. And you do have these little containers, which you can actually put solids in. Now, if you have like a hair gel or paste, or you have medicines, you can put that in there. They even have the little seal on top, so you can close it up. So that way, after you're on an airplane, it doesn't open it up and it's literally everywhere. So you've got a few of those. That is nice. Looks like you got 4 of those. And to fill them all up, you got this little guy that you can scoop, use to put that in there. You have a nice little filter here to fill up your shampoo bottles. Look at that wide area. I mean, that's a nice wide opening. So if you're putting in your shampoo or anything, it's nice and wide. Silicone, you can easily squeeze it out. And it's got the little flip top on there. So flip it open and use it in the shower. Get anything out. And how do you know what they are? Labels. They got all sorts of labels on here. You can even write on these ones. So anything that you need to do, you can just take it off, highlight each one of these, know what all of them are. This would be a great set to use to travel overnight or for a really long trip.